Hello! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to navigate your user profile. So you're going to go to our webpage, PCMRC at volunteerhub.com. Once you do that, you can click on Sign In and sign into your page. We're going to go to Jane Doe. And here you're going to see the main page that you're always going to see when you log in or when you first come to the web address. From here, you can sign up for events, which is the page we are currently on. You can go check My Schedule, which will show you information on what you have registered for rather than all events currently posted. And you'll be able to manage your profile. To look at what's currently on My Schedule, just click on that at the top of the screen and it will show you all of your events. Same thing as the home page, you can toggle between having a list view or having a calendar view. When you click on the drop-down arrow next to your name, you have several options here. You can update your profile, change your password, manage your affiliation, view any of the signed waivers, view your hours, notification settings. You can even change the language, or you can sign out. Let's start out by clicking on Update Profile. So updating your profile is going to just give you the MRC application again. If you have anything that you need to update, your address, your phone number, your emergency contact, etc., that's where you're going to come to do that. This is also where you can come back to see what documents you still need to upload and upload them to here. It's all going to be here. It's the same thing exactly like what we had on the application in the first tutorial. Next, let's go ahead and check on change password. So when you come here, it's going to ask you for your current password, and then it's going to ask you to update or provide a new password. Again, it is case sensitive, and this should be a password that's easy for you to remember. The next one here is manage affiliations. So if we come to manage affiliations, that's simply the same thing that you did at the beginning of the application where you chose any skills or groups or interests that you're interested in. All you do is change your buttons around, press save, and it will save your affiliations. Now, viewing signed waivers is not going to show you the waivers that you agreed to in the application. Viewing signed waivers would be if there's a particular event that has a particular waiver that is not one of ours that they need you to sign. We will attach those to the events, and those signed waivers will actually show up here. Your signed waivers that you signed when you registered for the MRC will stay on your application. So if you have any questions about that, you can always email us at mrc@tpchd.org. And then we have notification settings. As you can see, all three of these are currently checked. This is standard for everybody when you first log in. You can change this, although not a lot of emails come out of here right now. These newsletters and announcements are going to come from Volunteer Hub themselves, not from the MRC, but they can be interesting to see what new things you might be able to access. It will send you your registration confirmation email in order to say that you have registered for an event, and it will send you the post-event thank you email and surveys. So I would suggest at least keeping the first two checked. If you don't want the third one, you can uncheck that one, but it's recommended to keep the first two. Again, when you press save, it'll let you know that your notification settings have been updated. The view hours, we're actually going to talk about that in the next tutorial. So we're not going to go into that one on this at this time. Again, you can change your language to any language. It will actually take you over here and it will change your language within Chrome or Edge, and they give you very good instructions. If you need to go back to the home page, you can always click on the MRC up here. Again, our contact information is at the bottom of this window, and you can click on that here. You can find any other navigation or tutorial videos by clicking on the main page. button, and you can see all of your volunteer events that are available for you to sign up for or not sign up for. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for events, cancel your registration, check in at an event, how to self-report your own hours, and how to view your hours history. So at this time, this completes tutorial number 2. If you have any questions about the site so far, or about anything that we've been showing you, we would appreciate you letting us know. Again, our email is mrc@tpchd.org. You can find that right here again. And thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.